What if I told you that you could transform your cramped kitchen nightmare into a functional culinary paradise for less than the cost of a single designer handbag? Stick around because I'm about to reveal 12 game-changing modular kitchen solutions that will make your neighbors think you hired a professional designer, but you didn't spend more than $1,000. These aren't your grandmother's kitchen cabinets. We're talking about smart, space-saving systems that work harder than a barista during morning rush hour. Solution number 1. The Medici Hazel Full Kitchen System, $1,199. Let's start with the heavyweight champion of kitchen transformations, the Medici Hazel Full Set. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's over my budget. But hear me out. This 107-inch wooden organization unit is like getting an entire kitchen renovation for the price of a weekend getaway. Picture this: 10 cabinet doors, 3 drawers that glide like butter, and 3 open shelves that'll make your dishes feel like they're living in a 5-star hotel. The European design screams sophistication, while the soft closing hinges whisper luxury every time you close a door. It's modular, which means you can mix and match pieces like you're playing kitchen Tetris and winning every time. What really sets this apart is the engineering. We're talking about a weight capacity of 66 pounds on the tabletop and 11 pounds per shelf. That's enough to hold your stand mixer, coffee maker, and that collection of cookbooks you swear you'll use someday. The 89-inch height maximizes vertical storage because in small kitchens, up is the only way to go. Solution number 2. Ikea Esping Kitchenette, $638. Now, if you want something that's ready to go faster than your morning coffee routine, meet the Esping. At $638, this little powerhouse proves that good things really do come in compact packages. This isn't just a kitchenette, it's a complete cooking ecosystem. You get a stainless steel sink, adjustable wall shelves that adapt to your needs like a good friend, and storage solutions that would make Marie Kondo weep tears of joy. The genius is in the details. Those 2 hanging open wall shelves can be positioned left, right, or center, giving you complete control over your storage story. The backsplash features a shallow shelf perfect for spices and oils, keeping everything within arm's reach while you're channeling your inner Gordon Ramsay. Here's where it gets really smart. The black metal cabinet door has adjustable wire storage inside for flat items like cutting boards and baking sheets. Meanwhile, the 3 drawer boxes come with felt underneath for smooth operation and movable organizers for cutlery. The black metal and ash effect finish gives it that industrial chic vibe that's so hot right now. And can we talk about that pre-cut countertop? No measuring, no cutting, just pure plug-and-play convenience. Solution number 3. Ikea Unerup Kitchenette, $838. The Unerup is like the Esping's sophisticated older sibling who went to design school. At $838, you're getting that same IKEA reliability with an off-white finish. What sets this apart is the attention to detail. We're talking chrome-plated knobs and a laminate worktop in oak effect that brings warmth to any space. The 51-inch width gives you serious counter space, while the 86-inch height maximizes storage without overwhelming your room. The real magic happens in the storage configuration. 2 cabinets provide generous closed storage for larger items, while 3 drawer boxes with felt underneath keep smaller items organized and accessible. Those top shelves are height adjustable, so whether you're storing cereal boxes or wine bottles, everything fits perfectly. It's compact enough for a studio apartment, but stylish enough to make your friends think you've got your life together. The oak effect laminate worktop isn't just pretty. It's durable and easy to maintain, which means it'll look good even after you've attempted that souffle recipe 3 times. Solution number 4. Rolling kitchen island with marble top, $279. Here's where things get exciting. A kitchen island that moves. This $279 marvel comes with a hidden trash compartment, because let's face it, nobody wants to look at garbage while they're cooking their masterpiece. The marble countertop isn't just pretty, it's practical. You can roll this bad boy wherever you need extra prep space, then lock those wheels when it's time to get serious about cooking. 2 drawers, adjustable shelving, and towel racks mean everything has its place and everything stays in its place. The smart storage solutions include 2 easy-access drawers, perfect for utensils and small gadgets, plus an adjustable interior shelf that customizes to fit everything from spice bottles to casserole dishes. Those built-in towel racks and organizers mean you'll never again search frantically for a clean dish towel while your pasta water boils over. Solution number 5. Large kitchen hutch cabinet, $350. For $350, this kitchen hutch is like hiring a personal organizer who never judges your snack choices. Standing tall at nearly 75 inches, it's got more storage solutions than you have kitchen gadgets. And that's saying something. 4 glass doors let you show off your pretty dishes while hiding the mismatched containers behind solid doors. The microwave shelf means your counters stay clear, and that wine rack? Well, let's just say it's there for cooking wine. The multi-layer design is pure genius. 5 tiers of shelving, 4 drawers, and 4 glass doors create a storage symphony that would make a professional organizer weep with joy. Those swing-out storage doors on the sides are the real MVP here, maximizing capacity while keeping frequently used items like spices and beverages easy to access. Solution number 6. Merax Rolling Kitchen Island, $249. The Merax Island is the Swiss Army knife of kitchen furniture. At $249, you get an extendable dining table that seats up to 4 people, plus a built-in charging station with USB ports and outlets. The 47-inch countertop gives you serious prep space, while the internal storage racks keep everything organized. But wait, there's more. The extendable table features 2 lockable wheels and a full extension rail system that provides seamless mobility and rock-solid stability. When extended, you get a 13.8 by 41.7-inch dining surface that comfortably seats 2 to 4 people. The built-in charging station includes 2 AC outlets, 1 USB port, and 1 Type-C port, accommodating everything from coffee makers to phone chargers. It's like having a tech hub disguised as kitchen furniture. The comprehensive storage solutions include 2 drawers, internal storage racks, and 4 open compartments, plus adjustable shelves behind doors for customizable organization. Solution number 7. Medusa Hazel 3-piece set, $849. If you love the full Medusa system but need something more budget-friendly, this 3-piece set at $849 is your golden ticket. You still get that European sophistication with 6 cabinet doors and 3 open shelves, all wrapped up in that gorgeous white finish. The modular design means you can start here and add pieces later. It's like a kitchen layaway plan that actually makes sense. Those soft close hinges and telescopic slides make every interaction feel premium, even when you're just grabbing a midnight snack. This 59-inch system includes a pantry cabinet with 3 doors and 3 open shelves, a 2-door base cabinet, and a horizontal door-wall cupboard. It's like getting 3 pieces of furniture that were meant to be together. The 89-inch height maximizes vertical storage, while the 24-inch depth provides substantial storage capacity without overwhelming your space. Solution number 8. Summit All-in-One Kitchenette, $3,019. Okay, I know this one's over our $1,000 budget, but hear me out. This Summit unit is like getting a full kitchen, refrigerator, and gas range all in one 54-inch package. The 4-burner gas range with oven means you can cook like a pro, while the Energy Star certified refrigerator keeps your ingredients fresh. It's perfect for tiny homes, studio apartments, or anywhere you need maximum function in minimum space. Here's what makes this a game changer. The complete 3.2 cubic foot refrigerator freezer with adjustable glass shelves and door storage, paired with a 2.9 cubic foot oven with adjustable racks. The 4 sealed burners with continuous grates give you restaurant-quality cooking capability. The convenience factor is off the charts. It ships on one oversized pallet with reinforced packaging, and everything is designed to work together seamlessly. The cutlery bin with removable cutting board cover and storage cabinet for dry goods means every inch serves a purpose. Plus, it's LP convertible with an included kit, so whether you're connected to natural gas or using propane, you're covered. Solution number 9, tall kitchen pantry cabinet, $169. At just $169, this 68-inch tall pantry cabinet is proof that you don't need to break the bank to get organized. The multifunctional design includes 3 easy glide drawers with cable management holes, multiple open compartment storage sections, 2 glass doors on top, and 2 door cabinets with internal shelving. Those 4 side racks on the interior doors are the real heroes here. The top 2 shelves are 9 inches high, perfect for spices and condiments, while the bottom 2 are 13.9 inches high for taller items. The 500-pound weight capacity means this cabinet is built to handle whatever your kitchen throws at it. Solution number 10, stainless steel. Kitchen sink with cabinet, $799. This commercial-grade stainless steel unit at $799 brings restaurant-quality durability to your home. The workbench design gives you serious prep space, while the storage underneath keeps everything organized. It's like having a professional kitchen prep station that fits in your apartment. What sets this apart is the commercial-grade construction that's designed for high-volume use. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or hosting dinner parties, this unit handles it all with professional-grade reliability. Solution number 11, extended kitchen island, $474. This 82.7-inch island is the overachiever of kitchen furniture. At $474, you get an extendable dining table that seats up to 6 people, plus enough storage to hide your kitchen gadgets. The extendable dining table is pure genius. It transforms from a cozy 2-person breakfast nook to an expansive 6-person dining space with a maximum length of 51.2 inches. The 2 lockable wheels provide effortless mobility and rock-solid stability when you need it. The double-size storage design includes 2 drawers on both sides, 1 cabinet with adjustable shelves, an open storage compartment, and a convenient 2-level side storage area on the extended table for condiments and essentials. The upgraded built-in charging station features 2 AC outlets, 1 USB port, and 1 Type-C port, making it perfect for everything from coffee makers to device charging. The timeless 2-tone design with white faux marble top and earth tone veining creates visual appeal that complements any decor. Solution number 12, Avanti Compact Kitchen, $979. Last but definitely not least, the Avanti Compact Kitchen at $979 is like having a full kitchen that went to space camp and came back more efficient. This 30-inch wonder includes a cooktop, sink, refrigerator, and storage. It's basically a kitchen transformer. The stainless steel countertop and backsplash give it that professional look, while the Energy Star certification means it's as kind to your electric bill as it is to your space constraints. The 2.2 cubic foot refrigerator features 2 adjustable removable wire shelves, built-in door bins, and a reversible door for maximum flexibility. The full-range temperature control and automatic defrost system ensure your food stays fresh while you focus on cooking. The 2 electric heating elements, 500/900 watts, provide serious cooking power, while the quality stainless steel countertop sink and chrome faucet make cleanup a breeze. The separate storage drawer and cabinet maximize organization in minimal space. What really impresses me is the whisper-quiet operation and Energy Star certification. It delivers optimal performance while using minimal energy. The sleek modern design fits seamlessly into any space, from studio apartments to office break rooms. The complete convenience package means you get everything you need for full kitchen functionality in just 30 inches of width. It's perfect for tiny homes, rental properties, or anywhere premium kitchen space is at a premium. Here's what most people get wrong about small kitchen solutions. They think smaller means settling for less. But these modular systems prove that smart design beats big budgets every single time. The secret sauce? Vertical storage, multifunctional pieces, and modular components that grow with your needs. Start with your biggest pain point. Is it storage? Go with the hutch or pantry cabinet. Need more prep space? That rolling island will change your life. Want a complete transformation? The Medici systems are your best bet. Remember, modular doesn't mean complicated, it means customizable. You can start with one piece and add others as your budget and needs evolve. It's kitchen renovation on the installment plan. So there you have it, 12 modular kitchen solutions that prove you don't need a mansion-sized budget to live like royalty. These aren't just kitchen upgrades, they're lifestyle upgrades that'll make cooking feel less like a chore and more like the creative outlet it should be. Your tiny kitchen doesn't have to stay tiny and function. It just needs to get smart about storage and style. And with these solutions, you're not just buying furniture, you're investing in a better relationship with your kitchen. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button.